Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So after a long time again, I'm talking about Vechain price update. What's going on in the Vechain? What's the price changes occur? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe ABS Tech channel, so kindly subscribe now for more update and news videos about cryptocurrencies. And if you have any question about crypto, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your question in the upcoming video, guys. So guys, now let's talk about the VeChain, that what's the price and what's going on in the VeChain. First of all, guys, if we talk about the right now, the currently live price of VeChain in the market, so the current price of VeChain is 0.117829 USD dollar. That is the currently price in a USDT. Other side, you can see here the last 1 hour only, guys. Yesterday, in the last 24 hours, the changes of Vechain is going negative, except of yesterday. Now that's good news for all of you that in the latest situation in the last 60 minutes the changes is positive, guys. Let me show you the price chart. You can see, guys, obviously that's massive jump of Vechain, guys. And other side, if we talk about the changes of positive 3.42% positive changes occur in the Vechain, that's too good, guys. And I really love Vechain in right now situation because Vechain is going to the moon, guys. Anyways, guys, I hope that all Vechain holders feeling very happy. And you know what, guys, in the future there is more chances, there is more possibilities that if they collaborate with a lot of companies, if the event of Vechain is coming soon, so be alert. That's why I'm telling you to kindly subscribe now channel for more update videos about Vechain, guys. So now at this time, on the basis of this update, I recap it for all of my viewers, for all of my subscribers, those people who follow ABS Tech channel. So again, I'm telling you that it's time to hold, guys, because in the future the huge profit opportunity is coming soon. So just hold. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.